Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. Let's solve this question on circle theory. We have that Q, R, S, T are points on the circumference of a circle. If P, T, S and P, Q, R are straight line, find R, P, S. So on this, we are asked to find R, P, S. So we are finding this particular angle, this angle. So let me call it Y. Now, from this question, we find that PTS is a straight line. So this is a straight line. A line around this place is a straight line. There is also another straight line here. So what do we do? There are a lot of conditions that can help us solve this problem. So let's start with the simple one. The simple one is that I'm seeing a number at the center of the circle. And the law says that twice the angle at the center is equal to the one at the circumference. So this particular angle is going to be half of the one at the center. Therefore, I'm going to say that ROT is equal to 2 times RST. So this particular angle, let me call it X. Therefore, I'm going to have ROT is the angle at the center, which is 110. To have 110 is equal to 2 times X. Therefore, X is going to be 110 divided by 2, which is going to be, that is going to be 55. All right. Now we have 55. How do we navigate? What do we do with the 55? So we also have to remember another law. The law that will make us get this particular angle. Because I need to get this angle. If I get this angle, let me call it Z. I can get this angle. Let me call it P. If I get the angle P, then I can find Y. So now what is Z? I'm going to apply another law which says that when you have two-sided shape, which is called cyclic quadrilateral, inside a circle, that they can sum up to 180. Therefore, Z plus X is equal to 180 degrees. We'll call it cyclic quadrilateral. So Z is equal to 180 minus 55. So 180 minus 55, I'm going to have 125. Therefore, Z is 125. There are different ways you can navigate and come to that term. So this place is 125 degrees. So what is P? Now, sum of angles on a straight line is 180. So 180 minus 125, you have 55. So P is 55. How? Because P plus Z is going to be 180 degrees, sum of angles on a straight line. And that is how I got my P to be 55. So totally, I'm going to have these triangles. This triangle is this way. Now, this is 103, and this place is 55. You're asked to find Y. Look at it again. Good. So what do we do? Sum of angles in a triangle is 180. Yeah, for Y plus 55 plus 103 is equal to 180. What is the condition? Sum of angles on a straight line. So if I add 55 to 103, I'm going to add 158. So Y plus 158 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, Y is going to be equal to 180 minus 158 degrees. Therefore, Y is going to be equal to, we have 22 degrees. So the value of the question we are asked to solve is 22 degrees. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share your thought.